Service Website is a feature of SmartHQ service that allows access to all the possible information, user manuals, and media related to GE appliances. This app auto-populates the service website with the model number that you are interested in working with. On the dashboard screen, click Next and then click Service Website to access all the information, articles, user manuals, and media specific to the model number. In this case, let us click the first article and then click Attachment to view or share a service bulletin specific to the GE appliance model. This feature helps to access appliance-related information instantly with a click of a button. It also helps to ensure that you have the latest versions of GE documentation in digital form.